What's up everyone, I'm Jessie, this is Angie, and this is Patrick, and we're here in the Harley-Davidson studio. Today I'm going to show you one of the most technologically advanced pieces of riding gear on the market, the Harley-Davidson Leather Smart Vest. This leather smart vest is a result of a collaboration between Dainese and Harley-Davidson. Dainese brings more than 25 years of research to the table, and that's paired with a look that's quintessentially Harley-Davidson. This vest is essentially an advanced airbag system for motorcyclists. The Dainese D-air airbag technology uses a series of sensors to monitor what's happening around the rider and constantly process the data in real time. It is designed to deploy instantly in the event of a collision with objects or other vehicles, rear-end collision, or low side or high side. The airbag covers the chest and central area of the back and form seals with your helmet. This vest is great for peace of mind. It adds potential impact absorption without being bulky or cumbersome. This technology has been around previously, but this is the first time that it's been given the Harley-Davidson aesthetic. So I know this is going to be a piece that drives a lot of interest this year. Let's talk about how this vest is used. At least one of two conditions have to take place in order to activate the vest. First, the vest senses the vibrations of the running engine when you're on your bike. If you ride an electric motorcycle, that's okay. Another way that it is activated is when your speed exceeds 10 kilometers per hour. So don't worry, the jacket will not deploy if you're just walking around and fall down. An indicator light on the left chest is key in knowing the status of the jacket. It's basically signaling to you in colors. When the smart vest is zipped up and the snap tab power switch is fastened, the light will run through its initial sequence of colors, then the light will flash 5 times in either green, yellow, or red. Green means the battery is over 70% charged, yellow means the charge is between 20 and 70%, and red means the charge is below 20%. After this, the light will turn a steady blue, and this means the system is not activated yet, but it is ready for use. Once the onboard sensors detect the conditions we mentioned earlier, the light will turn a steady green to show the system is activated and ready to trigger the airbag as needed. The jacket also vibrates to let you know it's ready, which is handy for when you have your helmet on. Charging the battery is super convenient with a universal USB plug. Your laptop, computer, or even a wall outlet is fair game to get your vest back to its full charge. Please note, for safety, it cannot be charged while on the motorcycle. The fully charged battery lasts up to 26 hours. I have about a 35-minute commute each way to the gym, and I only need to charge it every 2 weeks or so. So what happens if and after the system deploys? The deployed airbag and 2 gas generators will need to be replaced and destroyed as they are no longer usable. You'll need to bring it to select authorized dealers who can inspect your vest and install a new airbag kit, which is sold separately. Aside from the tech, one of my favorite features of the leather smart vest is that it can be worn either under or over your jacket. This versatility is great because you can cater it to your style. Wear it on the outside, and the heavyweight cow leather and prominent Harley-Davidson branding gives off a traditional biker look. Or wear it underneath to show off your favorite riding jacket. Please note, if you wear it under your jacket, allow about 2 inches of space all around so the vest has room to properly inflate. Harley-Davidson's leather smart vest comes in both men's and women's versions that differ in fit and styling. The women's has these princess seams for a fantastic fit on the female form, and 3M Scotchlite black carbon reflective material is located at the shoulders. Now we'll spin Angie around and show you the Harley-Davidson branding across the top here. Next, let's look at the men's vest that Patrick is wearing. Unlike the women's version, the men's has a front and back yoke, and the reflective material is located on the yoke. You'll notice that the logo on the back is a touch larger than on the women's. Both versions feature logos that are reflective, so visibility is enhanced on those locations as well. The vests also come with zippered pockets for storing personal items and feature stretch side panels for comfort. The perforated leather of the outer shell helps maximize airflow. The women's comes in sizes extra small to 2XL and men's in sizes small to 2XL. The leather smart vest can be purchased and serviced at select authorized dealers. It can also be purchased online. For any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.